Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem I found online today, it's simplify a radical. Okay, so we have the addition of the square root of 8 plus the square root of 18. They gave us three different answers, okay? So hey, let's see how we solve this. Okay, how I'd solve these, you ready? I'd write it like this, you ready? I'd write the square root of 8. Now, I'd write like a factor tree out below it, okay? I already know because it's an even number, it's going to be divisible by 2, okay? What I always do on these is I put the larger number to the left. So I know it's 4 times 2, so I keep the 4 out this way. And I put the 2 in here. I'll tell you in a second why, okay? Now, I look at this, and hey, can I simplify this anymore? Of course I can, okay? I can go like this, I can go 2 and 2. And what I'm looking for here, because this is a square root, and really, okay, the index of this, which is 2, is right here. See, 2? So whatever you got, see, it shows, if the index is not shown, it is applied to be 2. So there's a 2 there. So I'm looking for just pairs. And I got a pair of 2s here, okay? So that means, okay, when I simplify this, I'm going to write it right above. This 2 goes to the outside. That's why I write it there so I remember. And now this 2 that's all by itself goes to the inside. So this is now going to look like 2 to the outside to the square root of 2 plus. Okay, so I got that done. Now, the problem says plus square root of 18. So hey, let's tree this one off. Okay, so I know it's divisible by 2. So I write the 2 over there. Now, the bigger number's a 9. Okay, can I change that? Sure. It's 3 and 3. So, hey, do I have a pair? Of course I do, right here. 3 and 3 is a pair. And now that goes to the outside. And this 2 here goes to the inside. So my new one's going to be 3 to the outside, square root of 2 to the inside. Okay, the radicand's going to be 2. So now, hey, I can add these because they got similar radicands. So this is going to equal 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 to the square root of 2. And that's my answer. Now, is any of those? Yeah, look at this. Number 2, right there. Square that off so the teacher knows, hey, that's my answer, 5 to the square root of 2. But you see how easy this was to simplify these? Okay, to make the tree. And like I said, I always put the bigger number on the left-hand side only because that kind of reminds me, hey, where that pair is going to go. It's going to go to the index of that, okay? And then the 2 that's all by itself, or the 3 or 4, whatever it ends up being, is going to become the radicand, okay? And that's all there is to it. The one that's all by itself will be the radicand, okay? And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It'll help my YouTube ratings. And the more people that subscribe, the more students that will see this. And they're going to see problems like this on an exam. And if they can solve them fast, hey, they're going to just be able to move on to the next problem and get a good grade, okay? Thank you very much. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.